Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I wasn't here last week. I apologize for that. I had a few technical difficulties, but for this week I have a project to share with you and I'm super excited with how it turned out. As you know, I have been working on my guest bedroom, just preparing it for people to actually show up. Got a little derailed when I went and did the DIY pantry stuff, but we're back, we're here, we're gonna finish it. Now, I really love these Capiz shell chandeliers that you see. They're kind of beachy, they're just, you know, kind of magical. They are translucent and they just have a really nice glow to them when the light's on behind them, so I wanted a little bit of that, and I briefly looked up just buying the shells by themselves. That got a little pricey. So I did a DIY version, of course, in a very affordable way, as is my style, and it's actually made out of wax paper, and it turned out incredible. But without further ado, let me show you how I did it. So once they were all strung on the huge thread of them, I divided them up into groups of 6 to 7. I think I did some in groups of 8, and I tied off one end and I left an extra amount of string on the other end without tying it off, just so I had something to tie it on with later. So the light fixture that I was working with for myself was a ceiling fan. It just came in our rental and that's what I just had to work with. And I just wanted to replace the kind of boring looking glass sphere around it. So this is what it looked like before. And the only problem with this is that it had a candelabra bulb in it, and I wanted to have something with one, a little bit more light, and two, I wanted to have one of our hue bulbs in it. So I ended up getting an adapter from Home Depot that converts candelabra to the normal standard size bulb size. So here is my very elaborate setup to put the chandelier together. The hanging basket came with these chains, and I just kind of doubled them up here and just attached them to the frame with a twist tie because I didn't want to mess up the paint any more than was absolutely necessary. I have it hanging off of 2 chairs with a bungee cord, and this is just so I can work and see how things hang as I go. So I have it up here. I couldn't really film me putting it up here because it was just, I mean, it was just not a good angle for anybody. But I attached it with zip ties here. I hope you can actually tell. I left them pretty, I mean, I didn't trim them at all. But I strung the zip tie through here, and I also strung it through this little hanging piece that came on the hanging basket. And I just did that at the 3 points on the hanging basket, and it holds it up really nicely. And it's not the prettiest thing from above, but I don't know anybody who's going to be coming in here that is like 9 feet tall, so you can't really tell from here. Now I get to show you what it looks like all finished. So much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspires you. I think everybody needs one of these. They're amazing. And you just turn on a good movie and you just crank this out and you're done. It's really easy, super cheap, under $10. It's so dramatic in the room. The camera just does not do it justice. It looks so much more, I don't know, ethereal in the room when you're actually in there in person, but hopefully it translates just a little bit as to like how magical it is in person. I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!